Alrighty, I just want to make a video showing some of the stuff you can get. I know some people may or may not have ever worked on their car before, and you might just need some of the basics. So I'm gonna have some links here of what I would buy. Just normally I'm kind of going for like the cheaper stuff. So you've got some different toolkits on here in a different range of prices, and of course just buying one set of tools, can save you a ton, just because you think about a lot of mechanics charge $100+ an hour. So if you can do a couple of these small jobs by yourself, it could save you a whole lot of money. So here you've got the DeWalt kit, and the DeWalt kit is only 76 bucks. This is gonna come with almost everything you kind of need. You've got ratchets, you've got extensions, you've got screwdrivers, you've got Allen keys, and a bunch of different size sockets. So that's something I would probably buy. That would be the first thing I'd go. Now, if you're looking to make the jobs a little easier, type in, I'm gonna put a link, electric ratchets. These are rechargeable, super easy to use. I have one, but they're cheap as 60 bucks. And then you can see kind of just based on the ratings. And of course, Amazon's got a great return policy. So look at these, 6,000 people purchased it, 60 bucks, 60 bucks. They do have some more expensive ones, but these are the cheap ones that I would probably buy. And some of these even come with extra sockets. So that makes it easier to work on your car, because once you get there, then you don't have to continue to maneuver. You can just press a button and pop it off. Most of these don't have a super high torque rating, 45 foot-pounds, some of them are 50 foot-pounds. Of course, if you get something way more expensive like a Milwaukee, they're gonna have a lot more power. But all the small jobs, these will handle. Ramps. So they've got tons of different ramps. You can get race ramps if you're going to be low. I've personally got the Rhino ramps. Our cars don't weigh that much. These hold 12,000 pounds. I've used them plenty of times. It makes it a lot easier than just jacking up your car. And they're only about 60 bucks. Of course, if you want to go the traditional, you can I've got some jacks here, and you can get a floor jack. And if you're going to do the floor jack, I highly recommend do the jack stands, because you don't want to have the risk of the floor jack rolling out from under you and then the car crushing you. So for safety, make sure to buy the jack stands with it. So if you're going to get one, spend the extra 20 bucks, get the jack stands, then you have kind of the whole set. But either way is pretty cheap. They're both going to be very versatile. For me, I have both, but I really like the I like the ramps, the Rhino ramps that I have, just because it's very easy. I can just drive right up on it. But a hydraulic jack is super quick. Just know that if you're low, make sure to read how many inches these are stock, because if you're scraping and you've only got 3 inches in between your car, you might have to get a special, like a lower floor jack. But yeah, so I'll put these links in there. I know a lot of people, want to work on their cars. There's so much information out there on YouTube if you don't know how to work on your car. So things, like changing your exhaust or putting an intake on, all those things are really simple things that you shouldn't have to pay a mechanic for. And just like I said, you purchase this one time and you can use it forever. So like I said, if you want any of this stuff, I'll leave links, and I'll leave links in the description and in the comment section, just so you can kind of access the same pages I've got. But I do highly recommend this stuff, just to get yourself started working on your car.